In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Drive to organize and share your files. Getting started with Google Drive can significantly improve your workflow, allowing you to easily access your documents from anywhere and collaborate with others seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to go to Google Drive and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard where all your files and folders are located. This is the central hub of your Google Drive, and getting familiar with the interface will help you manage your documents better. Next, look at the upper left of the screen and you'll see a button labeled New. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. Select the option to create a new folder. Folders are a great way to keep your files organized, whether you're categorizing by projects, clients, or any other system that works for you. Folders will help you keep things neat and easy to find. After selecting New Folder, give your folder a name that clearly describes its contents. Once you've entered the name, go ahead and click Create. Now that your folder is created, it's time to share it if you want to collaborate with others. Right-click on the folder, and from the context menu that appears, select Share. In the Share with People and Groups box, you can enter the email addresses of those you want to share the folder with. Decide on the level of access you want to grant them. As a viewer, they can only see the files. As a commenter, they can leave comments on the files, and as an editor, they have the ability to upload, edit, and even delete files. You can also create a shareable link if you prefer to share access through a link instead of individual invitations. In the same sharing window, click Copy Link, and you can adjust the access settings from restricted to anyone with the link if you wish to allow open sharing. Choose whether those with the link should be viewers, commenters, or editors. This is useful if you're collaborating with people outside your immediate contacts or need a quick way to share access without sending individual invitations. After setting all sharing preferences, click Done to save the settings. Remember, as the folder owner, you have full control. You can manage sharing settings by restricting editors from altering permissions or preventing viewers from downloading files. Plus, you can revoke access when necessary. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up, organizing, and sharing files in Google Drive. Practice these steps and you'll become proficient in managing your files in no time. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.